Hello sir, my name is NAZMI. I'm from course RSC. Today, I want to present to you about what is Muay Thai. Muay Thai is martial art combat sport that use a various attacking and snatching technique to incapacitate the opponent. Muay Thai fighter are down in standing position, meaning there is no gripping or fighting on the neck like MMA. Muay Thai, also known as one of the hardest martial arts because every attacking is done with full force. The fighter are also encouraged to move forward to and attack each other. Muay Thai have 4 techniques to attack: punch, kick, elbow, and knee. The attacking performance have the old scope, such as punch 1 point, kick 2 point, elbow 3 point, knee 4 point. In Muay Thai competition is divided into 3 categories, namely A, B, and C. Category A is usually had Thailand and Malaysia, which use a full professional rules. For example, boxer only glove, intel, and teeth protection. Match round of 5 rounds, 3 minutes per round and 2 minute rest. Number 2, category B is match of the experienced boxer, veteran. Boxer wear hat, elbow, shin guard, and glove. The match round is also the same categories A, but the in-match time is only 2 minutes and the rest time is 1 minute. Category C is same for amateur boxer. Boxer wear the same equipment such as category B. Match around the 3 round, 2 minute match and 1 minute break. Elbow and knee technique to the head and prohibited in this category. The importance and benefit of learning martial art. Number 1, protecting professional safety. Number 2, discipline on self. Number 3, professionally become a career. Number 4, apply true value. You have 2 choices: stand up and face your fear, or that will defeat you. Thank you, sir.